Gwaan again, people, or yardies, because some start call, we are family. Gwaan yardies, welcome back to the channel. Our next video. So another video here, we have jerk chicken, piece of pork, and also we have throw sausage on the grill same time. And a bunch more of stuff, so stay tuned for the video. Today Sunday, I don't know, Sunday dinner. The chicken with rice and peas. Yeah man, so stay tuned. Give it a like, comment, share it out to all your friends and family. Help the channel to grow. Yeah man, so like, comment, share and subscribe. Also watch ads them because that's how I make a revenue. Yeah, so just watch ads them. Because I need to buy a phone or camera, so watch ads them. When I watch ads them, that'll help me to buy a phone to do some video. Because I'm not really post now or a camera. So just watch your ads them and share it out and make sure your friends and family watch ads them, so look out.
It's when the ashes too much in out the fire and then sitting there with the fall. Oh, you jerk fall. I mean, I jerk fall a beer, me take with him.
Yeah, beer.
Yeah, man, that's what we're top of a beer and you see. But pay like what I call it. You make me say for the right size.
Really?
Take it up, man. How it tastes?
It tastes like a normal water. Coconut water.
Alright.
As sweet as the normal one.
Yeah, because it's dry.
Wow.
This smells so good. They want turn calices. Them here?
Yeah.
They want turn. But it smells so good, guys. You can smell a nice aroma. Yeah man, it smells so good. Get the fork to turn this sausage, yeah. See, fish them, guys. It smells so good. Yeah man, it's purchase season. I'll go on with itself. See them here, guys. That's the jerk barbecue sauce. And this is the jerk season. So this is go for the season. When you see the chicken, yeah man. This is season. Yeah. And this now are the sauce one time you put on, no, finish now you put it on it. Yeah. I don't know, you can use this now, guys, and with the chicken. That's how you use it? No.
Oh, no.
No.
It's sticking.
That's
It's
this too big,
sticking.
Khaleesi.
It's sticking.
That's how you turn them, alright?
Alright. I'll turn the sausage.
They want to stick onto the grill.
Yeah. But these don't. Because they're supposed to go on the grill.
They want to stick to Khaleesi.
No! No! Can I?
Take time turn them.
That one, please. Can I,
You can't rub this.
can I flip one of them?
You want to flip on them?
Yeah.
Take time. This too stiff your hand, you can't squeeze it. You can't manage it.
Oh, what? I flipped it. You said I can't manage it.
Yeah, try the chicken now. Try the chicken now. And see if they want to turn.
Yeah.
Yeah, turn them.
Yay! Turn one. Now I want to turn this one.
See temperature guys? Yeah. So the temperature inside. You want to go up higher though. Fire. One more fire. Alright. I guess I'm going to get some more fire, you know? Because once you fire the grill pan, so get some more. So instead of put the coal night, I'm going to catch the coal and put the night, you know? Yeah. Paper towel or hand towel or whatever you want to call it. That is so. Cooking oil, that's it.
What is that? Let's do one.
And a smaller one on this. Like you want fold.
Put the fire there. Throw them in the night.
The mixers aren't finished. Mixer is finishing.
So go up now. Then 94.
That's it. So if you have a secondary fire right that's so it's bad. So you use on coals. Oh, you know what I need to do? So what I need to do? Make come back.
And put on course around there. Yeah, I say it. It come no Khalid, come. Yeah man, you can hear sizzling now came, so you know. Active now.
Bigger than it.
You know what I see that? Turn them as a band. That's the other side. Draw out.
There's one patty. You decide to cook it now.
They want to see some more. Cooking, boy. Alright. What do you want now? Temperature go up.
There, put that down there.
After watching the guy, cause I don't want the chicken burn up. Give them a next look pan, you know, cause I don't want them burn up. Just take time, turn them slow. Stir them, you know. You must stick onto the grill though. Wet them on now guys, the same water I'm showing you, the seasoned water. Yeah. Guys, go on a sneak peek of what Gwaan. Yeah man. So we have a sweet potato just gone on. Ripe plantain and chicken them come on very lovely. Rice and peas potato, rich and nice, like a pea soup. Alright guys, so you can here and the butter. So put them on the fire now and put them on the grill cause chicken soon done. Yeah, so we need to get them started out. So 1 piece chicken, 1 piece of butter. Not too much cause you don't want the salt. Alright, that's alright.
It's a pork.
They want to come and make it.
We have to prepare properly.
It's alright though. Just cook. Kim kan memang cook no Kim. Deh biar cook tuh. Kayak apa gini Kim, Bo? Kayak apa gini tuh?
I put That looks nice.
Eat that guys. Rice and peas ready. Alright guys, so everything basically is soaked now, you know. Yeah man, the corn done. You say the corn done. Chicken basically finished, so wrap the file paper with the sauce so the chicken can suck up that nice juice so it don't dry. Just full of juice. Yeah.
Yeah, keep moving.
Yeah, and the pork now this. Yeah. So everything basically I go and soak guys. I don't know say the breasts are the hardest thing. But them feel kind of tough same when you do. So yeah, right finish as you say so. When everything done and share out, then I show you back where I go on. Yeah. Remember like, comment, share and subscribe and watch ads them. Yeah. See temperature there. Kim and Yana look juicy and nice. See a nice pasta. You see corn. Start digging time now.